What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Tottenham rebuild. Today we've got a jam-packed episode. We've got so many games to be getting into. Anderlecht, Manchester United, Manchester City and Galatasaray, I think. But yeah, let's get into Anderlecht. Ndombele. Here he comes again. It's a bit of a fumble around in the box, and Sabitzer, it dropped to him. He finished hopes his first goal in a Spurs shirt. That's a very good start for the boys there. And we are 1-0 up. Harry Kane taking a free kick here. It comes back out, and he hits it on the volley. That is brilliant from Harry Kane. And surprisingly, we are 2-0 up. Well, not really surprisingly. Anderlecht aren't really that good, unfortunately. Edwards, here he comes forward. Vlap with the foul. Michel Vlap. Højbjerg. We've got another free kick here. Lo Celso takes it. Comes back. It's flouncing around. Ndombele into Sabitzer. And there is the goal. It took a lot of effort to get it towards the goal and get a shot off. But we are 3-0 up in this game. Alright, so we have a game against Manchester United. It's a pretty high intensity clash we have got for us today. I think it's like third against fourth, so this game could go either way, but we couldn't get the victory here and we should go and get it here. Luke Shaw gives the ball away. Lo Celso into Harry Kane. That's a surprising shot, and it is 1-0 to us here. I didn't really expect that. We're a minute in and Manchester United are 1-0 down. Lo Celso gives the ball away to Fernandes. Fernandes comes back in and scores for Manchester United. Tahiti Chong and Bruno Fernandes link up well there, and that is 1-1 in this one. Fernandes play down the line. That looks like a free kick. It is a free kick. They're going to put it into the box and penalty. What? Oh my god. Fernandes. Please, Lloris. Oh, he's sent him. And it's 2-1. Kane into Sabitzer. I give it back to Kane. And it is 2-2 in this game. This has been a cracking match, to be honest with you. You've had all the chances. Alright, so we have a game against Manchester City in the Premier League. We're in some pretty good form, we're playing pretty well, so we should be able to get victory here. But it's not going to be all that easy. It is Man City, they are a very good side, and yeah, we should be looking to get victory in this one. Corner, it's going to go into the box. And it's a penalty again, it's another penalty we've conceded. De Bruyne sticks it into that far corner, and City are 1-0 up here. Ederson plays one of those long balls he loves to do. Sterling into Nemetra, it's 2-0. City are on top of us here. They are very good, and we just can't get into this game, and City are 2-0 up. And Ndombele, Højbjerg, and into Kane, and that is 2-1. We made the scoreline a little bit more respectable. I don't think we're going to come back in this game, but we come out a lot better. I put the attacking instructions on to, make it a little bit, more attacking and getting into this game. Alright, so looking at the points here, we can actually go qualified for the round of 16 of the Champions League with victory in this game. So we're going to go and beat Galatasaray here, and we will do so. Kosterman comes with the ball, and Paulo Dybala's put it in. It's his first goal for the club. It's taken him a while to score. I thought he would have, scored in the save. I don't know if it's goals in the Champions League or not, but he scored. Galatasaray playing out with it on the back, and Arab is brought down. I'm not sure who that was, but it's a penalty. Højbjerg will take it, save, but on the rebound, Pierre-Emile Højbjerg puts us 2-0 up in this game. Dybala on the corner into the box. It's an own goal, and that is 3-0, and we're probably going to win this game. Right, so we currently sit second in the league. It's where we expect to be, and we're challenging for the title once again. Next episode is going to be a bit more tame. It's not going to be as, full on as this episode was, but I hope you enjoyed this episode. It was very good to record, but that's going to be it for today. Tomorrow's, Sunday, we'll have Arsenal, Leeds, and not Anderlecht, Brentford potentially. That's going to do it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Yeah, hey, Royce, you did it right. Yeah, I was broke, now a young nigga flexed up. In a foreign, switching lanes, you can't catch up. You was 10, but you switch up cause I'm next up. I got link and some 40 in my rack.